Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the benefits of using calcium magnesium. As you can see, it is written CalMag. CalMag is in short form, but in full it is calcium magnesium. It goes together, combined. This is the way it looks like. And as you know, calcium is for the benefits is to strengthen your bones and your teeth and to have healthy muscles. The foods we eat, we don't get enough calcium from the foods we eat. The foods that are rich in calcium, for example, the oranges, blackberries, blackcurrant, milk, cassava, there are so many foods rich in calcium. But we eat these foods, but we don't get enough. That is why there's a need to supplement, to use calcium magnesium as a food supplement to bridge the gap between nutrition and diet. And the benefits of magnesium, the other benefits of calcium, I'll mention them later. The benefits of using magnesium food supplements. The magnesium, it is made out of foods like broccoli, cabbage, beetroot, kale, that is sukuma wiki in our language, radish, and the other foods. Therefore, it is important to use calcium magnesium to bridge that gap, because the foods I've just mentioned a few, we don't get enough nutrients from the foods we eat. We just eat to fill our stomachs. And the benefits of using magnesium, number one, it contributes to the normal psychological function. Psychological functions, these are functions between the head and your neck. So magnesium supports normal psychological functions in your body. And also, when you use magnesium, it helps with the maintenance of normal muscle functions in your body. You know, our bodies, the skeleton, it has got muscles. So it supports normal muscle functions. We have muscles all over our body. So it is important to use calcium magnesium every day. And if you lack calcium in your body, if you have a deficiency of calcium, you start suffering from diseases like insomnia. You don't sleep well because you don't get enough calcium from the foods we eat. And also, your bones, they become weak. And your teeth, they become weak. They can break anytime. And also magnesium, it also supports maintenance of normal bone health. The whole body, it has got a skeleton. This skeleton is made out of different bones. So it is important to use calcium magnesium for the maintenance of normal bone health. Also, when you use magnesium or calcium magnesium, the body produces energy, or you get energy to power you out throughout the day. Therefore, it is important to use calcium magnesium. There are so many uses. I'm just mentioning very few. And you know, the lifestyles that we are leading, we cannot afford to eat foods like, for example, even buying beetroot. They are very expensive, or even buying fruits. They are very expensive. For example, broccoli. Broccoli is a superfood. It is very expensive. So you find that the lifestyle that we are leading, we don't get enough vitamins and minerals from the foods we are eating. Therefore, there is a need to use food supplements like calcium magnesium so that your body can function very well. Also, we have other uses of calcium, some benefits of calcium. They are good for excellent for good strong bones, as I have mentioned before. And also when you use calcium magnesium, it promotes good breathing. You breathe very well without a problem. Also, calcium magnesium helps with the heartbeat and the muscle activities. Your heartbeat, they'll be normal. So it is important to use calcium magnesium. When you use calcium magnesium, it calms your nerves. So it is important to use calcium magnesium. It is also needed for the transfer of nerve impulses in the body. Calcium magnesium, it helps in blood coagulation. It also keeps the veins and cell membranes healthy for a free transportation of nutrients in the body from one part to another. And also it helps on the elimination of the waste from your body. Therefore, it is important to use calcium magnesium. As we age, as ladies, we suffer from osteoporosis. This is as a result of not getting enough calcium from the foods we eat. If it is inadequate in your body, there's a deficiency. So you suffer from osteoporosis. Therefore, ladies, we need to use calcium magnesium every day so that our bones are strong and our muscles, they function very well. Because when you don't get enough calcium from the foods you eat, you find that even your skeleton, it decreases. The skeleton decreases, you are affected. Your body cannot function very well. Therefore, we need more calcium every day. Also, if your wife is expecting, or you know somebody who is expecting, and she's in pains, if she uses calcium magnesium or she's feeling labor pains, calcium magnesium is pain killing. The birth will be easier. Childbirth will be easier for mothers. It is important to use calcium magnesium so that when you go to give birth, it is easier for you to give birth because your bones are strong and your muscles are strong. When you use calcium magnesium, it prevents the brittle nails, eczema, muscle cramps, and tooth decay. You find that some people, they have decayed tooth because they lack calcium. So their teeth become weak, and they start having cavities or the decay of teeth or tooth. When you use calcium, it prevents dizziness from lack of carbohydrates. Maybe you don't have enough carbohydrates, or you don't get enough carbohydrates from the foods you eat. When you use calcium magnesium, it will prevent the dizziness from a lack of carbohydrates in your body. Calcium magnesium, it is very important to use every day. When you use it, it also improves on your memory. You will have a long-term memory. You will not be forgetting things. So it is important to use calcium magnesium for a good memory. Remember to use calcium magnesium food supplement to bridge the gap between diet and nutrition. Because the diet that we eat every day, we don't get enough vitamins and minerals. Therefore, there's a need to bridge the gap by using food supplements. These food supplements, they're made out of foods. That is why they're called food supplements. They're based in nature and backed by science. Therefore, you don't need to fear to take them. They're not medicines. They're food supplements to bridge the gap between the diet that you are eating every day, which is lacking enough nutrients. Therefore, you become, when you lack enough nutrients, there'll be a deficiency, and then you start developing some problems or some health challenges. Therefore, it is important to use food supplements like calcium magnesium. Remember to use calcium magnesium for your strong bones and teeth. As we age, we eat very little. Even the children, they eat very little. Therefore, you find that they don't have enough vitamins and minerals in their bodies or in our bodies. So there's a need to use calcium magnesium every day, and also try to eat the foods that will give you calcium. But remember to supplement, to use food supplements. Thank you. That is enough for today. Tomorrow I'll talk about a different type of food supplement. Thank you.